In this video I'm going to show you how to collapse or hide columns in Google Sheets. So let's say you would like to focus on other parts of your data. Then you are simply able to hide a complete column in Google Sheets. So what we will do, we will select the column which we want to hide. Let's say we would like to hide this column to focus on the other data. Now once you have selected the column, then you can click on the arrow right on top in this column and then go to hide column. And as you can see, now the column is hidden. If you would like to bring it back into your sheet, then just simply click on those arrows right here and then we will select it. Now if you select the arrow, as you can see, the column will come back into the sheet and it is visible again. And this is how you simply collapse or hide columns in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!